Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the questions that I get from time to time, and I got it today, is how reliable these thumb drives are for keeping files over a long period of time. So USB thumb drives, there are gazillions of them out there of all sorts of brands. I think one of the first things you need to do is make sure that you purchase a known brand, Verbatim or, Kingston, brands that are reliable, that we know are good brands in general. They are, in general, much better than the no-name or very weird name brands. But overall, in everyday, day-to-day use, of course, you can have problems sometimes. I've had some USB thumb drives go bad over time. Still, if you store information on it and keep it in a safe place for a long time, usually this is going to be good for years without any problem. The only thing that you have to remember is that you should never have a backup of your important files on only one device. So if you back up to a USB thumb drive like this, it's fine, but make sure you have copies on something else. So one of the things is, if it's files on a PC, have a copy on your PC, have a copy on your USB thumb drive. Even better if you could have a copy in the cloud. What I would also recommend is, if you do have only copies on USB thumb drives, well, buy several of them and make 2 or 3 thumb drives with your files. Like that, if for any reason something goes bad, you will have at least another thumb drive to rely on to get back your files. But remember, backup is at least 2 different places, 3 even better. Never on just one device. If you back up your files on just one USB thumb drive and you don't have any copies anywhere else, you are actually looking for trouble. So make sure that you have at least 2, 3 different locations or devices that have your files. But in general, if you do store them on USB thumb drives, you can store them for years and they'll be available, in 5 years from now. They're still going to be there and waiting for you to retrieve the files. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching my videos.